In this video, I will guide you how to reduce signature size in KB in laptop. This is the easiest method. You can open the Microsoft Paint. So open your signature image in Microsoft Paint, head to the file, click open and select the image. Click and here you can see that the file size is 2.5 MB and which is quite high. Now click the resize button in the top toolbar and now select the pixel. And now enter a small value like 250. So make sure you must maintain aspect ratio which is checked over here and then click OK. Then go to the file, click on the save as, and now we need to click on the JPEG picture which is smaller than PNG or PMP. So type the new name and now again make a new copy, go to the file, open and select the new file. And here now you can see that the file size is only 9.1 KB. So in this way you can reduce signature size in KB in laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.